Take all components out of the box and lay them on the floor. Unfold each frame and lay it on its side or face down. Lift up each leg on the base and slide the wing into place. Tighten the wing nut and repeat for all 6 legs. Place both frames side by side and position so side holes align. Install the 2 screws with spacers on the lower and upper frame so both sides are connected and tight. Flip the base over to stand upright and place your mattress on the bed frame. Your bed frame is now complete.
The box spring is old, really old, and it's starting to show its age. In a time where everything is getting smaller and stronger, the box spring is still huge and still heavy, which means it's tough to move around and sags over time. Luckily, there's a better solution. The Smart Base Mattress Foundation. It is made of steel, so it's strong, sturdy, durable, and able to support thousands of pounds of evenly distributed weight. And it's easy to use. It folds neatly in half, so it's no problem to move it through doorways, upstairs, and through other tight spaces. Assembly is easy and takes just a few minutes with no tools required. Now you can stop worrying about throwing your back out trying to move the bed. Learn more about the Smart Base Mattress Foundation today.
Alright, so I'm putting this mattress frame together. It's this California King frame, and you can see I've got it set up here in my loft. And I was wondering if there's going to be a problem with this thing in assembly because it was offered through the Vine program to reviewers, but it had been like lingering for a long time. And here's the problem. This is a stud right here, you can't see it, right here, that fits through this hole. And then this right here is for a bolt, but it's just backwards. The problem is if you drop this bolt through here, you can connect it up to this hole underneath it, but there's no room. It's kind of hard to explain, but there's no room for this wing nut to fit. The wing nut would have to go under here. It's just kind of like the whole thing is just set up backwards. You would think then, if this is clear to you at all, you could just spin it around and use the other side. But unfortunately that ends up totally symmetrical instead of asymmetrical, and you end up with the same problem. You get the lug going through this hole on the left instead of the one on the right. So there's just something wrong with the way they kind of welded these and assembled these, and I cannot figure out a way to put it together. I've been struggling with it for about an hour now. You can see I've got the other side over there, and I got the same problem on the other side. So maybe someone else figured this bed out, but I cannot figure out the assembly. I'm definitely following the instructions, which look really, really simple, and I'm not getting anywhere in putting this bed together.
If you're interested in buying one of these products, links to all the products mentioned in this video are in the description down below. If you like and found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.